everyone. Today we will explore one of the fundamental concepts in Java programming, arrays. Understanding array is the crucial for managing collection of data efficiently in your code. What is an array? Think of an array as a nearly organized row of boxes, each holding a single item. In Java, an array is a collection of elements in the same data type, like a list of integer or sequence or strings. Instead of declaring many individual variables, example int num1, num2, num3, array let you store and access multiple values using just one variable name. Elements are stored in continuous memory location, making them fast to access. In Java, arrays are object, meaning they have properties and methods. Once created, an array size is fixed. You can change it later. Working with array in Java. Let's dive into the practical side, how to declare, initialize and use arrays. The first one is declaration. First you to declare an array variable, specify the data type into numbers. Second, initialization. Next you create the array object and define its size. Here a new array of 5 integer is created. Third, assessment. You assign the values to specify position elements using their index. Remember, array indicates start at 0. Access. To retrieve a value, you simplify refer to its index. This will print the value of at index 0. System out dot print number 0. For an array of 5 elements, the value indicates the range from 0 to 4. Trying to access the number 5 would result in an array index out of bounds exception. This program demonstrates the use of array in Java with example of monthly expense. First, an array named expense is declared and initialized with 6 values, each representing the expense of a particular month. Using a for loop, the program displays all the expense one by one, labeling them as month 1, month 2 and so on. Then next the program calculates the total expense by using an enhanced for loop, which is directly iterates through each value in the array and adds it to the total. After that, the average expense is calculated by dividing the total expense by the number of months, making sure to convert the result into a decimal value using typecasting. Finally, the program prints the total expense and the average monthly expense. This shows how arrays can be used to store multiple values and how loops help in processing and calculating useful information from the array.